Welcome to our in-depth reviews of the best online form builders for event registrations. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 tools that simplify signups, manage attendees effortlessly, and boost engagement for your events. Whether you're organizing conferences, workshops, or local meetups, having an efficient event registration form is critical. The right form builder not only streamlines the sign-up process, but also helps you manage attendees and gather valuable data. Let's dive into the 5 best options available today. First, there is FormGent, which is designed for WordPress. It provides an easy-to-use, AI-powered form builder for creating forms, including event registration. With conversational and multi-step form features, FormGent enhances user engagement, making it easier for individuals to complete their forms. This results in a smoother experience, all without requiring any coding. Additionally, you can access form performance analytics directly within WordPress, allowing for better optimization. Next, we have JotForm, which is known for its versatility and ease of use. JotForm offers a wide variety of templates, and its drag-and-drop interface makes customization simple, along with various integrations to add extra value. For those who prefer simplicity, Google Forms is a great choice. It's free, easy to use, and integrates well with other Google services, ideal for quickly setting up registration forms and collecting data. Typeform is our next recommendation. It transforms your registration process into an engaging conversation, reducing user fatigue and increasing completion rates. Its visually appealing interface makes it stand out from the crowd. Finally, Woofu offers robust form-building capabilities with extensive customization and reporting features. It's a powerful tool for managing registrations and tracking event data, making it a solid choice for larger events. Each of these form builders brings unique strengths to the table, whether it's the AI-powered efficiency of FormGent to create any forms in minutes, the ease of JotForm, the simplicity of Google Forms, the interactivity of Typeform, or the robust features of Woofu. Choosing the right tool can save you work hours and significantly boost your event's registration rates. Are you ready to enhance your event registration process? Click the link below to read the full article and explore the features of each tool in detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on optimizing your event registrations.